Hey, this is Eric with Paper Plate Food, and today we're making roasted garlic cauliflower mash. The first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Alright, you're going to want to do your best to try to break this thing down. I was kind of struggling with it a little bit. I didn't know which way to best approach it, so do your best. Just try not to cut off any fingers. Now, this whole recipe came about from my wife, who's trying to eat a little bit healthier, and she's actually done pretty well. And part of that was trying to cut out some of the carbs in our diet, and this was a result of that cutting back. Now, it's not mashed potatoes, so make sure you know that ahead of time. But it tastes really damn good. Now, here comes the roasted garlic part. You just want to take the top off of a whole piece of garlic. Done. Now, you're going to put all those pieces of cauliflower and the roasted garlic, which you move to the center because it looks better that way, and put it on a baking sheet. I'll toss it with some olive oil. This is probably about 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper to taste. Now, don't be too shy with the salt and pepper. Alright, some prep work. You're going to need some green onion. You're going to chop off the stems and slice up the rest. Slice and dice. Put it all in a little bit of a bowl and put it to the side. Now you're also going to want about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter for the amount that I'm going to make, and you'll see coming up. In hindsight, I should have used a butter knife. I'm super nervous using this chef's knife. Now, after baking, yours should look something like this. A little trick: once the garlic is cooled, just grab the whole piece of garlic and squeeze it, and the cloves will come out just like that. Now, I'm working with a smaller blender, so I'm using half of the portions to make my first batch, so it'll actually be 2 batches. So I'm going to throw the garlic in, and piece by piece throw in the cauliflower till it fills up the whole blender. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of cream, and don't add too much in the beginning. You could always add more if you needed to make it that smooth consistency that is similar to mashed potatoes. Toss in my 2 tablespoons of butter. Trying to sneak it in there really nice. And make sure you put that cover on tight. Blend it up till smooth, and it should look something like this. Plate it up and garnish it with a little bit of green onion. Oh, I didn't like that one there. For the love of God, if you like the video, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting out new videos every week. Unless I get fired from my job, then I'll be putting more than 1 video a week. But until then, expect videos every week. Click that bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Peace.